This is a wrap of the LASH CODE. I would recommend this course because it's very, very detailed. You get hands-on learning. You get a breakdown of all your terminology. You get an assistant that also helps you, not just you get Miiaye, not just the main instructor, but Miiaye as well, who is very awesome. So you have the attention on you, and so each person gets a proper attention that they need.
They don't let you fail.
They don't let you fail.
The whole class was lit from the beginning and the introductions all the way down until we did basically refreshers. The materials that we got from the class and also the products that we have to begin our own stock for obviously being expert lashers was amazing, and it was a nice, very good variety.
Provides you with resources to continue learning and to continue practicing
and how to
after
manage
the
business.
class.
What else you got?
I got a free t-shirt. She earned a t-shirt. I did. I already did.
Yes, it's earned on stripes.
So, make me
So, make me weak.
Make me me.
Make me